Here at Lloyd Jaguar in Carlisle, we are proud to present this Jaguar F-Pace R-Dynamic SE, finishing the very stylish Santorini Black. It's 2-litre petrol, does come with full service history, and boasts a huge 246 brake horsepower. For the rear privacy glass, working well with the 20-inch gloss black diamond turned alloys. You've got a very practical amount of boot space there as well, no trouble fitting luggage, shopping or prams in. Moving to the interior, you have got the ebony leather finish, very comfortable to be in, plenty of leg room in the back there as well. Got a very well presented dashboard there as well. It does come equipped with a sliding panoramic sunroof, letting a huge amount of natural light into the vehicle. Taking a seat inside, you have got ease of access to the navigation system. So as your rear camera, working in hand with your front and rear parking aid, and a huge range of other features, accessible with a simple touch, and these do include your heated front seats. For more information, please give us a call on 01228 599 000. Thank you.